In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk send emails in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll confidently select the right contacts, compose a clear message, and send it to everyone at once, all from inside your account. Before we dive in, make sure your email sending is properly set up in your account and that you have permission to email the contacts you're reaching. Start by opening your GoHighLevel sub-account. This is the workspace where your contacts and campaigns live. Once you're in, head straight to the Contacts area. This is your master list, and it's also where you can use filters and tags to narrow down who should receive your message. Now, choose the contacts you want to email by clicking the checkboxes next to their names. If you're emailing a specific segment, apply filters first, then select the resulting list. Keep an eye on the total number selected so you know exactly how many people will receive the email. It's a good practice to exclude anyone who hasn't opted in or who has previously unsubscribed. With your contacts selected, look for the Send Email option at the top of the page and click it. If you don't see it, double-check that you've actually selected at least one contact. A confirmation prompt will appear. Review the recipient count and any warnings shown there, then click Confirm and proceed to move into the Composer. You'll first add an action name. This is internal, so pick something descriptive you'll recognize later, like Monthly Update, August, or Webinar Follow-up. Clear naming helps you track results and keep your team aligned. Next, add your subject line. Keep it short, specific, and natural. Avoid spammy language and all caps, and consider light personalization if available, such as inserting the contact's first name. Your subject should clearly promise the value inside the email. Now, type your message. Write like a person, not a template. Lead with the main benefit, follow with brief supporting details, and finish with a single, clear call to action. Use short paragraphs, keep formatting simple, and avoid heavy images or excessive links. If merge fields are available, personalize the greeting and key details for better engagement. Also make sure your sender details and footer comply with email regulations. Your account settings typically handle unsubscribe links. When everything looks right, click Send Email. If a final confirmation appears, review it carefully and proceed. Your message will queue and send to the selected contacts. After sending, you can monitor opens, clicks, and replies in your reporting and conversations to learn what worked and refine your next send. That's it. Your bulk email is out the door quickly and confidently.